your breathing is inhaling through the nose, like you're smelling the roses, and exhaling through pursed lips as though you're blowing out the birthday candles. So it would be, if you hold on to your rib cage, you'll feel the rib cage expand with the inhale and then contract again with the exhale. So just stand with the fingertips here on the ribs. See if you can feel yourself expand. Breathe in and exhale. So try to count to 7 on the inhale. So it's inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and exhale, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and breathe out. Last time, inhale and exhale. Just feel like you're letting it go. Even 5 deep breaths will help to relax the shoulders and the traps and just help you to loosen up, and it relaxes the mind as well. So practice the Pilates breathing today. Inhale and exhale. Namaste.